Alright, we're doing a quick little house here, and I'm going to show like the living room and everything because we have good lighting. And I'll put links in the video description for all the pertinent information with the everything we're using and what we're doing.
Well, I don't typically use cotton bonnets on low-pile carpets, but I gotta admit, I tried the microfiber, I switched to the cotton, and the cotton's better. It's a lot better, actually.
Yeah, it's on a Berber, so we're...
Now, I think this is a loop Berber, so it's safe. It's not converted like a commercial glue down will tear a hole to this spot, but loop Berber is almost, it's pretty much more or less like a typical tile carpet as far as what it'll do to your bonnet. I tried a microfiber and I guess it didn't work. It's because it's looped. If it is commercial, it'll be fine, but this is a residential loop Berber. So hot board spread on it. It don't drag too heavy. It don't want to seem to rip a hole through the bonnet or none of that. Of course, you won't damage the carpet, but you don't worry about your bonnets. Since they cost $15, $20 a piece or whatever they are. I don't know if we got all ours free.
I'll give you guys a link in the video description. These are the 17-inch Challengers. Make them and the pad driver, and you get them through Corey Thibodeau, and I'll give you his information. I'll put a link for the machine for those of you wanting to start a little business.
For those of you who care, Corey lives in Austin, Texas. He sells Challengers. Challengers are made in Texas. Where they made in Beaumont? I don't remember.
I don't remember where they're made.
So if you like Texas and you buy this stuff, you're supporting a Texas company, which may not matter to you, but it's still kind of a cool idea.
Yeah, if you're from Oklahoma, you may not want to buy one.
Not if you don't like us, but if you don't like us, we're sorry.
Let me try a different angle here. It's looking like it's doing a pretty decent...
It's doing good. It's never going to be perfect because it's got some wear, but it's taking dirt out. I can see stuff removing as I go. And I don't know that the carpet is actually better than I think it is. It's got some natural, like it may have some natural dark colors to it. I can't see, to be honest with you, not 100%.
Yeah, the camera is showing one lighting effect, and the naked eye it looks completely different as usual. So it can fool you a little bit, but we're just judging what we can see. We don't care what the camera shows 100%. We just go from our own viewpoint.
Okay, just keep the camera going. I'm getting ready to turn the machine off and spray the other side of the room.
Yeah.
I didn't want to spray this too heavy because it won't last 5 minutes and it'll dry up. You can't clean dry carpet. So I didn't spray the whole room. I'm about to spray.
Yeah, don't ever spray more than you can clean in about a 5-minute period or so, because your pre-spray will just absorb.
If it dries up, you're not cleaning. You're just
then you're not going to start. It's going to stop cleaning and working for you.
Just run over the carpet with a dry bonnet on a dry carpet.
And have to use more pre-spray to get it away. It did change shades, though. I think the camera showed that.
Now here you got a furniture dent.
Yeah.
I don't know what'll happen with it. You can take furniture dent out with a wallpaper steamer. Take it right out. Any furniture dent. And the pad is underneath it is crushed. It'll still take the furniture dent out, but you'll always have a permanently crushed pad. You can't uncrush a pad. You can uncrush a carpet.
Whew.
Now I'm gonna spray this whole room, but it may start drying up on me where I have to spray some of it again, but that's okay.
You can tell because you'll notice you're not cleaning. It doesn't seem to be absorbing anymore.
Your pre-spray's dried up whether you realize it or not. That's the signal. It's time to respray.
Now everybody always wants to know what a pre-spray is, and I'll put that in the video description as well because it's too complicated to just talk about. So I could write it all down and there's links so you can go find the stuff you need and everything that way
We
too.
could say it's a proprietary blend. None of your
Yeah,
business.
well,
It's
we
not
should,
pre-spread.
we really shouldn't tell people what it is so they wouldn't know don't give away all the secrets, but yeah, that's going to be a good spot there.
Don't help your competitors.
Where you come in and out, that's the garage, the door to the garage, so.
Yeah, that'll have more grease and stuff on it. That kind of stuff. Which
Well, this is out in a cul-de-sac area and like a suburb area, so you know when it rains out here, people are going to be tracking dirt in and stuff a
we're
little
in a
bit
place
more.
called Early Texas. If you're not from here, you have no idea what we're talking about. It's just that's what it is. It's early.
But we got here early.
That's right. So we're working early and early.
Yeah, we were up at 4, like every day, just
We
about.
get up every day at 4 or 5 o'clock and
Yeah,
have coffee and
it takes about 3 hours to wake up.
that's when you're our age.
Yeah,
You gotta get your eyes working. Watch some YouTube videos, make sure they're not too bright. Give your eyes a chance to tune in to what you're watching.
yeah, you get up about once an hour to go to the toilet all night long.
Yep.
This is great.
That's why you take Flomax. Okay, here's a permanent stain, I suppose. I don't know what happened. Something dyed the carpet somewhere or another. How about some? I'll work on it a little bit later. I'm gonna try to
Yeah, when you're trying to get a carpet and you got your pre-spray soaking in, if you got something that's being stubborn, if you don't want to focus all your time on that right then because you want to get the rest of the carpet.
You can always respray it right like
Yeah,
that.
then you go back on something like that.
And I don't think it'll come out. I don't know what it is. The customer's here. Do you know what happened? Was it a spill?
Yeah.
It may have just caused a permanent dye change.
I gave up iced tea for that reason.
Yeah, iced tea and
It's
coffee.
got some tannin. Well, he's getting ready to get to a spot that may show up on camera.
Well, we'll see what I can do with it. It's kind of like greasy, or I don't know what, dirt, grease, grime. Sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. You never know what'll happen. Depends on what's in them.
Well, the pre-spray is a peroxide based and it has a carpet safe solvent. So what the peroxide gets all the organic stuff and the solvent gets the other stuff, and it does a pretty good job. But some things just aren't going to come out. Some things don't cooperate with anything, and you don't want to damage the carpet by overdoing it. So, and there's wear and tear that you can't 100% fix anyway.
Yeah, you have to know the difference in stains and wear and tear.
Yeah, you can usually tell if it starts lightening up, it'll probably come out. If it doesn't seem to respond, then it's just not going to respond to cleaning.
If a carpet gets enough stains in it, and it's not clean, the stuff that's staining will cause the carpet fiber to sand off the color, and you'll literally sand your carpet color down.
Well, and it's normal, a walkway like that, to have wear. And cleaning doesn't fix damage.
Nope. It's coming out quite a bit. I don't know if it'll be perfect, but it's a lot better than it was before I started. Most of it is.
This is like a furniture dent. Something heavy was sitting there. That rectangular area.
Yeah, that needs to be taken out with steam.
Yeah. If you guys check our channel, we got the Pray Neat videos, and the Pray Neat will take that stuff out. You just hover over it and it'll fluff the carpet back up in that spot. But then on the other hand, you know exactly where to put your stuff back later too.
And there's going to be some permanent wear here. This right here where I'm at, this is where people come in with all about the middle of their shoe or their heel, and it's pressed in harder. It's more wear on the carpet.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, traffic areas give you more trouble than the rest of the carpet, but that they're also never going to look exactly the same as the rest of the carpet after that anyway.
Yeah, we're still cleaning the carpet. If you ever reach on to touch the carpet, if it's not wet, spray it. If it's wet, you're okay. Never
Hey.
clean dry carpet.
Focus is going haywire today.
That's the lighting,
Yeah.
the early morning
I'm
lighting.
gonna try to hold it still in one spot.
We got other rooms to do in this house, but this is the only one we're gonna make a video on.
Yeah, this is a
Nobody
nice.
really wants to see bedrooms. They're not as well lit. They're smaller. I mean, this is the
And we won't have to talk anymore.
yeah.
All right,
Anyway, all
now.
this stuff's gonna be at Amazon. You can purchase the products, the machines, whatever. Corey
Okay.
Thibodeau from Carpet Whistle TV sells.
Yep, check the video
sells
description.
products. Let me see if I can hit this a little harder. I always try to do the best I can. I mean, the customers want it perfect. Everybody expects that. So
Well, there's a little bit. That's kind of dingy over there. He sprayed it a little bit heavier, so it's going to be a little bit damper. And
Yeah,
the camera shows dampness and stuff. As it dries, hopefully it's going to lighten up a little more.
Oh yeah, you never want to get a Berber carpet wet. Not where it has to. They'll wet. That's
All
why
right.
you don't want to use the truck mount systems in these places.
He's just about done in this room, and then everything else is down that hallway. I'm not going to show that. I'm pretty much in the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed that.
Hasta la vista.
Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.